Do you think it's politically motivated that she went to Pinarayi Vijayan because CPIM would have, LDF would have said, come, let us see to it that we, besmirch the reputation of Rahul Manguttathil. Doesn't it seem like very far-fetched? As of now, the cases of harassment, sexual exploitation, allegedly forced abortion, it is all very unnatural. I mean, look at it, the life of that woman. The husband also has come forward. The thing is that I do not want to think of it only as more politically motivated is the Congress party in Kerala, Vinita, according to me. Your comments on it.
No, absolutely. So as we discuss the case, each day it becomes murkier and more gorier as we discuss the granularity of this case. And this has been there from the last, I think we are hearing this story from the last 6 months. And every time this case comes up, there's a new entity, there's a new lady, there's a new victim. So how can that be possible that this can be politically motivated where we are, actually bringing to fore, women's dignity? A woman's dignity is at stake, not a single woman. There are several women involved. How can they all be lying? So this is just not believable that we are actually trying to politicize such a sensitive, gender sensitive case that it is. And so this just shows that the Congress cannot, they're not able to set their house in order. And where is Rahul Manguttathil? This is a question that we need to ask the Kerala government. What are they doing? Why can't they, nab him? Is it so difficult to find somebody who's missing in action like this? A person who's, if he's so innocent, would he be hiding? Would he be, missing in action? Would he be so elusive? So the question is not about, as even Rahul Ishwaran says, washing dirty linen in public. It's not about, somebody's, case, domestic case being taken out in public. There are several women who have come out and complained against him. And I think this is a precedent for law to take its action against such incidents so that it is not repeated and there is dignity for women in politics, in public life. And, people like Rahul Manguttathil, who is supposed to be an elected representative, this is the standard that he sets. Then where is the safety of women? How are we ensuring the safety of our women in Kerala? It's extremely worrisome.